Malungis kutang mira chairman board, vice chairman, bargul, ma other rogui, ma toget sen mira gemiu del kilomras pun. Ma setan al boda award agel munir mo teacher of the year de la Modetti school. Maybe quite a little time, maybe for more small dia, especially awards and receive a teacher of the year. Nung bekal ragi agal rogo school belau private sama public school go through a selection process dia ingin voto lungit sincerity. Ngayon sensei amo receive a certificate of recognition sharing do nila ma do the $600. Ang clear ang kayo sensei amo modar tige rogo teacher of the year belau el morser buklay ng aral mo o sige rin mo national teacher of the year. Mangkagat tige gigil mo second runner up $500 ma certificate of recognition. Lagyan mo first runner up director certificate of recognition ma $1,000. Ang lagyan mo national teacher of the year certificate of recognition ma plaque the last isang clear ma nakalabroad teacher of the year ma school lang Madira kalau kap kabil ang order nila ikil belau San Clair mara kalau teacher of the year. Edila kan mo receive round gold $2,500. Yagi amo dah ikil $600 nila school at the school level. Ma kumela ugel ngel national teacher of the year at $3,100. With that, they may book individual certificate. Yung certificate of recognition, the Ministry of Education, Republic of Palau, hereby presents this teacher the certificate to recognize his teaching services and honor his achievement as the Teacher of the Year 2019-2020 for Belau Modetti School, Republic of Palau. And awarded me this 22nd day of May 2020. At yung resign niya Director Andrew Tabuwal, the Education Administration, Director Sinton, Minister Sinton Sualaglay, Minister of Education. Elata may gulingit principal, Chairman the Board, Audience, May. Ang nakabay sa Lumay, Minister Sinton Sualaglay, Elaktan may PC ang Teacher of the Year, Mr. Ringin Matalara.